In this lesson, we'll find the volume of the solid generated by revolving the shaded region about the y-axis. And we're given the equation x is equal to y squared divided by 2. And we're also given the graph of that equation. When we attempt to draw the radius using the disk method, we'll simply draw a typical cross section. And notice that the cross section which is drawn based on this equation is not the cross section for our shaded region. So what we will do is we will find the volume of the unshaded region. We'll find the volume of the entire circular region. We'll subtract the two, which in turn will give us the volume for the shaded region. So first, let's find the volume of the unshaded region. And we're going to use the disk method. So that's equal to the integral. We're revolving this about the y-axis, so the limits of integration are on y. So the limits of integration are from 0 to 2. And the disk method formula is pi times the radius squared. And the radius in this case serves as the function y squared divided by 2, and that quantity is squared dy. So I'll pull pi in front of the integral operator, and I'll square the quantity y squared over 2, which gives us y to the 4th over 4 dy. I'll pull 1/4 in front of the integral operator, and we'll take the integral of y to the 4th dy. The integral of y to the 4th dy is y to the 5th over 5. And we're going to integrate that from 0 to 2. So now I'll simply use a fundamental theorem of calculus. So I'm going to substitute in b, which is 2. So we have 2 to the 5th power over 5 minus f of a. I'll substitute in 0, so we have 0. We have pi over 4 times 32 over 5. And if we simplify a little bit, 4 and 32, that'll give us 8. We have 8 pi over 5 as the volume for this unshaded region. Next, we'll find the volume for the circular region. And I'll simply use the formula for the volume, and the general formula for the volume of any shape is the area of the base times its height. So notice the area of the base is a circular disk or a circle. So we have pi times the radius squared. We'll multiply that by the height. So our radius is 2. Our height is also 2. So we'll plug those values into our volume formula. And we have a total volume for the circular region of 8 pi. Now, next we'll find the volume for the shaded region. So I'll simply subtract the volume from my circular region, which is 8 pi. And I have the volume for the unshaded region, which is 8 pi over 5. I'll simply make equivalent fractions. So 8 pi becomes 40 pi over 5 minus 8 pi over 5. So the volume of the shaded region is 32 over 5 pi.